we can set a special checkout time of 2 p.m. The police received a call from someone claiming to have witnessed a murder. The police sent 2 detectives to check the call out right away. Next, to take somebody at one's word means to accept what one says as true, to believe. When he offered to be responsible for the fundraiser, I took him at his word. Now he's saying he is not available to do it. You should be careful about taking her at her word. She's been known to say one thing but do another. To serve the one's purpose. To be useful, to suit one's need or requirement. I don't have a screwdriver to open this, but I think that a knife will serve the purpose. Jane prefers working to studying, so it served